AI and healthcare, two words that are set to revolutionize the future. In a thrilling announcement that promises to overhaul patient care, tech giants Google and Microsoft have unveiled new futuristic AI health systems. These groundbreaking initiatives could soon allow doctors to provide more personalized and proactive treatment, while empowering patients with better access to their own health data. First up, let's dive into the details of Google's new healthcare AI. In an exciting keynote, Google announced an AI project focused on helping doctors easily access patient information. Have you ever felt frustrated trying to gather all your health records from different doctors and hospitals? With Google's new unified search interface, a doctor could simply enter a query in natural language such as, "What medications is patient X currently taking?" and instantly retrieve the answer from across various data sources. Powered by the latest advances in generative AI, Google's search tool would seamlessly comb through electronic health records, lab results, medical images, and more to serve up the most relevant information to the doctor's query. By aggregating all of a patient's data into one platform, has the potential to provide doctors with full visibility of a person's medical history. No more shuffling through papers or calling various healthcare providers to track down information. And it gets even better. Google's AI assistant goes beyond just searching and also aims to assist doctors with tedious administrative tasks like medical coding and billing paperwork. Just imagine an AI chatbot that could automatically populate fields in reports or file insurance claims in the background while doctors focus on patient care. By reducing time-consuming clerical work, healthcare professionals could dedicate more time to patients and applying their medical expertise. In addition, Google's natural language processing enables queries in plain, everyday speech. Doctors could simply ask, "What were the results of Mary's latest MRI?" rather than having to search medical records using complex codes or identifiers. The AI would understand the question's intent and serve Mary's MRI results. By making it easier for doctors to find information on their patients, this AI could enable more informed clinical decision-making, leading to better health outcomes. However, generative AI wouldn't be of much use if it didn't have access to the right data. That's why Google's system integrates seamlessly with various clinical data sources, like electronic health records, lab test databases, prescription drug records, and medical imaging archives. This huge volume of patient data provides the context for the AI to generate meaningful answers to doctors' natural language queries. Bringing it all together is Google's unified search interface. This user-friendly portal allows doctors to easily query a patient's information across data sources and receive intelligent responses. Whether seeking drug history, test results, or imaging scans, the AI has its finger on the pulse of all the data it needs to provide relevant answers. In addition, Google also has its sights set on accelerating developments across the life sciences industry. Pharmaceutical companies and research hospitals often conduct studies based on data from patient records and lab tests. By making this data easier to search and analyze, Google believes its AI could help speed up medical discoveries leading to new drugs, therapies, and equipment. The company emphasized that they are still in the early phases of deploying AI in healthcare, but are excited by the promise. Google is actively collaborating with top medical institutions to turn this promise into reality. They are working closely with partners like the Mayo Clinic, HCA Healthcare, and Cleveland Clinic to test these AI systems using real healthcare data. With feedback from doctors, nurses, and other providers, Google can refine the technology before full-scale release. Constructive criticism now allows them to smooth out any issues and ensure the AI delivers helpful, accurate information. An absolute must when people's health is on the line. On the other hand, just like Google, Microsoft also recently unveiled cutting-edge healthcare projects powered by artificial intelligence and cloud computing. A highlight among the announcements is Microsoft's new healthcare platform called Microsoft Fabric. Touted as a futuristic data and analytics solution, Microsoft Fabric aims to transform how healthcare organizations understand patient data. At its core, Microsoft Fabric helps unify siloed health data into a comprehensive view. It integrates information from the various clinical sources where records are stored, including electronic health records, medical imaging systems, genomic databases, lab results, and more. Pulling all this data together is no easy task, but Fabric provides the architecture and tools to make it possible. With all of a patient's information aggregated in one platform, Microsoft Fabric enables healthcare professionals to analyze data and gain insights across the entire organization. Doctors can quickly access any patient's full medical history in one spot to inform their treatment. Administrators can better track outcomes organization-wide to identify areas for improvement. And researchers can uncover trends across population health data to guide future policies and best practices. By breaking down data silos, Microsoft Fabric delivers a bird's eye view of patient health and care. Healthcare groups testing the platform are already seeing the benefits. Northwestern Medicine, one of the largest health systems in the US, reports that Microsoft Fabric is helping its operations by simplifying and speeding up data analysis. This allows them to improve clinical results, boost patient satisfaction, and make processes more efficient. Like Google, Microsoft is also developing AI solutions tailored for healthcare, which build on top of Microsoft Fabric's data capabilities. AI models that can extract medical data from clinical notes and research papers to surface relevant information. Advanced analytics tools that provide visualizations and timelines of patient medical history to enhance clinical decision-making. With these AI solutions layered on its health data platform, Microsoft is striving to enable more personalized, predictive, and preventative care. Healthcare groups testing the technologies are optimistic about the future they foreshadow. The battle for the future of healthcare AI is on. Both Google and Microsoft are charging ahead with cutting-edge projects to revolutionize the patient experience. Beyond its Fabric platform, Microsoft is also developing futuristic AI solutions tailored for the healthcare industry. A key highlight is an AI-powered chatbot called Azure AI Bot that can interact conversationally with patients and providers. This virtual assistant can help with common tasks like scheduling appointments, verifying insurance eligibility, and assessing symptoms. By automating these repetitive jobs, the chatbot enables healthcare workers to focus their time on patients' pressing needs. Microsoft is also utilizing AI to provide visualizations and timelines of patient health records. These systems give doctors vivid snapshots of medical history to enhance diagnosis and treatment. Overall, Microsoft's suite of AI solutions aims to arm healthcare groups with the predictive insights needed to provide proactive, personalized care. As these innovations demonstrate, artificial intelligence has massive potential to reshape the healthcare landscape. However, as with any powerful technology, it's critical these healthcare AI systems are implemented ethically and responsibly. Patient privacy, data security, and unbiased outputs are paramount when people's well-being is on the line. Google, Microsoft, and healthcare organizations must work hand in hand with regulators to ensure the benefits of AI are realized while mitigating risks. But at the end, one thing is certain: we've only scratched the surface of what AI can do in healthcare. The initiatives unveiled by Google and Microsoft point to a thrilling future where technology makes patients healthier and medical experts even more capable. And that's all for today. If you're excited about AI innovations and want to stay updated with the latest trends and insights, subscribe and turn on notifications. Remember, AI is not our enemy, but our ally, ushering us into a future of endless possibilities.